Here we are. The storm of 2010. It's a big one. This is just the beginning, apparently. Look at those little boys.
I just fell down.
You just fell down here. I'll come
Uh
down.
oh. There you go.
Okay, let's. Alright, okay. There's Eli. Eli!
Oh,
Akis fell down.
He's gonna lose his boot.
Don't lose your boot, buddy. Eli! Eli! Hi! Hi! Akis, don't lose your boot, bud. Look at the camera. Say hi. Oh, fall down. It's snowing.
It's beautiful. Get a picture of the backyard. It's
It is coming down.
Snow on our heads.
Yeah, we moved the minivan to the bottom of the driveway. Don't know if that's a good idea or not, but. Okay, there's a good Facebook post.
Blizzard 2010.
Oh, it got me! Oh, it went down my shirt. Oh, it's cold. Oh, you got me.
Oh. Oh no! Look out, Clayton! Oh no! Where's Eli? There he is.
Oh, got me! I get back. Ah. I get back. Ah, get you over here. There, I'm gonna get you over here. Oh! Akis! Akis! Oh, I got you! Akis! Oh, I got you in the face, sir!
Oh, Clayton. Oh, give him some love.
Sorry. Okay, yeah, wipe it off. There you go. You want to get Daddy in the face? Ready? Ready? Here we go. Ready? Oh,